Alright, so why we talk about syncopation? I was talking about the musician or the instrumentalist playing a similar thing for the vocalist to, to start singing.
Yes, sir.
So that's what we call syncopation. So syncopation is all about creativity.
Yes, sir.
Like we've heard of a song like Igwe, Igwe,
Yes, sir.
Igwe, Igwe. So before that song started, you know there was something that was played.
Yes, sir.
And you notice that all the instruments that featured in that song, like the drum, the piano, the bassist,
Yes, sir.
and all that sub-instruments, they all play the same thing to start.
Yes, sir.
Like, let's look at Igwe, for example. Let's say Igwe. Let's say Igwe. Syncopation, at this point of syncopation, you might have mastered some basic progressions already.
Yes, sir.
It's not like maybe you are just starting to play and you want to start playing syncopation. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so you might have at least, your hand should have been fluent in some chords, which I believe by now you should have been fluent with chord.
Yes, sir.
Is that not true?
Yes, sir.
At least when I say hold do now, you don't need to think twice to know where do is.
Yes, sir.
Or are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So for you to be able to do that, you know that I told you before now that right hand and left hand they work together. So most times these syncopations are always like a form of scales.
Yes, sir.
In form of what?
Yes.
Okay, so like for this song Igwe now, we have do ti do ti la so, so do ti la so, so do re mi, like. So do re mi, so do re mi, so do re mi. I get it. So do re mi, so do re mi, so do re mi, so do re mi la so. Do. I get it. And this is something that your hand should have been fluent in chords and in scales. So I don't know how fluent you are to start playing syncopation. Do ti la so. So do ti la so. So do re mi, so do re mi, so do re mi, so do re mi la so. I get it. And the two hands will do the same thing now. Do. I get it. Like we have this. Do ti la so. Fa re so. Okay. Fa re so. Repeat again. Do ti la so. So do re mi. So do re mi, so do re mi. This so do re mi is 3 times. So do re mi, so do re mi, so do re mi. La so. La so. Do.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? Like do ti la so. Fa so. Do ti la so. So do re mi, so do re mi, so do re mi, so do re mi, so do re mi la so. Do. And I start. Go so ba bi re. Go si ba bi re. Go ma so la bi re. Igwe. Go so ba bi re. Go si ba bi re. Go ma so la bi re. Drum out now. Tipe. As in. Igwe. Ever me gonna tell me. The bassist will be playing. Why? You the keyboardist. Go so ba bi re. Si ba bi re. Asala rambire so. Igwe. Saba bi re fa. Si ba bi re do. Asala rambire so. Igwe. You are playing fa do. So do. The keyboardist. Fa do, like 4, 1, 5, 1. That's your movement.
Yes, sir.
Osababire, Osibababire, 1. Alarambire, so 1. Igwe, Osababire, 4. Sibababire, 1. Alarambire, so Igwe. The bass will be playing. While you are on 4, you are pressing fa. The keyboardist will be playing fa. The bass will be playing fa la fa. When you hold fa at the keyboard, the bass will be playing fa la fa. When you go to do, the bass will play do mi do. I get it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Then when you go to so, the bass will be playing so ti so. Do mi. I get it. That's what you will be playing throughout the song. I get it.
Yes, sir.
So these are what we call syncopation. This is just for Igwe.
Yes, sir.
So this is the intro, then the progression of the song. The progression is 4, 1, 5, 5, 1. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Alright, then the bass line. The bass line. Fa la fa. That's a 4. Why this? That's when you are on 4. Fa la fa. And when you are on 1, do mi do. That's 1, abi?
Yes, sir.
Then when you are on 5, so ti so. So ti so. Then do mi do. That's 1. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. So we need the chords will be playing.
No, the basses will be playing notes. Bass is, you know, bass in music carries rhythm.
Is it your left hand?
Yes, your left hand, yes. You know, bass carries rhythm.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so the weight of the note of bass line is much more thicker and denser than chords on piano. When you hold a note on bass now, it's very, very dense. And that's why, because bass has a lot of rhythm. I get it? Yeah. Oh yeah. Do 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 do.
Yes, sir.
Do do do. I get it?
Yes, sir.
So that's for bass, bass and piano line basically for the song. So this is a bit technical and it's something that will take you, particularly you that are beginners, may take you up to a week or some days to learn. Huh?
Okay.
So this is for that. This is for a simple and popular song, you know. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
So the work is here now. This is where your work is. The piano line.
Yes, sir.
I said. Do ti do. Do ti la so. Fa so. Do ti do. Do ti la so. So do re mi so do re mi. That. So do re mi so do re mi. Your two hands are doing it to the scale.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? Particularly when there is no bassist now, for example. So do re mi so do re mi so do re mi. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So do re mi so do re mi so do re mi. I get 3 times, eh? So do re mi so do re mi so do re mi. I get it 3.
Yes, sir.
Then la so do do. I get it.
Yes, sir.
That do do is attack. La so do do. I get it.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Okay, so I think I can give you this as an assignment. So you go and the piano. Were you able to rectify or do anything about it?
The thing was
Can you?
working.
Yeah, okay.